Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you report busting. The report busting is used when the multiple reports need to be generated and shared with the relevant users in the required output format. The feature allows the same report to be distributed to the multiple users simultaneously, and it can be also deliver user specific data to each user in the single operation. And using the OneAIV, we will do the report busting. Simply click on the hamburger menu and go to the document section and click on the report busting. Now select the dataset from the report busting. After adding the dataset, we need to add mapping. Let's understand what is mapping. Mapping is a way to bind dataset with the report and report parameters in order to achieve report busting. It is a mechanism using which we are joining a dataset with the report and saving it in a mapping file. While we execute report busting, this mapping will take one by one data from the dataset and inject it into the report one by one. And this is how multiple reports are being generated with a single click. Mapping is a heart of the report busting. Let's understand how we can create mapping or edit the mapping. If you are doing it a first time and there is no mapping created, select report mapping dropdown will show no data. But once a mapping is created or you have existing mapping, you can see the mapping in the selected report mapping dropdown. In case you have some mapping created or any of the mapping already created, when you select the dataset, you will see all the available mappings lists under the select report mapping. And also you will see all mappings are grouped by the mapped and not mapped keywords. If you have created mappings with the selected dataset earlier, then you will see your mapping in the mapped list or the other mappings are grouped in the not mapped list. Let's create. To create a new mapping with the selected dataset, click on the plus icon and it will display the schedule page. Now add the name, select the unique column name, and then select the report. If you see any parameters, just add the value and click on the schedule tab. In the schedule tab, you will be able to schedule your report using the different kind of frequencies. Let's click on the output and add the detail. You can add required name, you can select suffix, you can add a format, and you can add an output path. If you want to share this mapping, click on the email and add the email address. Let's save and complete the mapping. Click on the dropdown and you will see the created mapping. Select this mapping. After selecting the customer detail mapping, it will display all the customers dataset detail in the grid view in the empty pane. Here you have to select the number of customers from the list whom you want to generate and share the report. Click on the execute tab and here you will see two buttons. One is asynchronous and another one is a synchronous. Let's understand the asynchronous report busting. In this type of report busting, user have the option to run the busting either immediately or on a recurring basis. If you choose to execute the report immediately, you can select from four output options: HTML, XLS, PDF, and docx. Immediate execution: to execute report immediately, simply click on the desired output format if you prefer to run the report on the recurring schedule. Select the schedule option, which will prompt you to set the desired schedule time. You can check the list of reports generated in the report section as well as the output time folder. You can also schedule the frequency of mapping by using the schedule button. Another one is a synchronous report busting. Select the synchronous radio button and choose the format. In this example, we are selecting the PDF format. Clicking on the PDF button will initiate the report busting process immediately. You can monitor the status of the request from the request section. By simply using those steps, you can do a report busting in an AIV application. Thank you so much, guys, for watching till the end. I will see you in the next one.